Hello, this is Chester for our Exams Pro Masterclass Civil Service Exams Review. And we're here for our numerical ability review. And we've got this problem. What is 25% of 200? Letter A, 25. Letter B, 40. Letter C, 50. Letter D, 75. Now, 25%, that means to say it's the equivalent of 1/4. And also, in decimal, it's 0.25. No? Pag may makita po kayong of sa mga questions po sa numerical ability, ito pong of, ang ibig sabihin niyan, most probably po, it means multiply. Okay? So, yung 25%, hindi siya pwedeng direkta i-multiply sa 200. Dapat maging decimal na muna po siya o maging fraction. Okay? So, andito na po ang equivalent ng 25%. It's 1/4 or 0.25. So, i-multiply po natin. No? 1/4 times 200, the same po yan ng 200 divided by 4. Okay? So, yung 200, 1/4 or 25% or 0.25, ibig sabihin kalahati ng kalahati. So, hatiin sa dalawa yung 200, that's 100. Hatiin uli sa dalawa, that's 50. Okay? So, an answer po natin is letter C. No? It pays if we can memorize some of the common percentage, their equivalent in fraction and in decimals. 75%, no? It's 3/4 in fraction po. Decimal, 0.75. 60%, it's 3/5. Ibig sabihin, hatiin mo siya sa lamya, tapos kumuha ka ng tatlo, yun po ang 60%. In decimal, it's 0.60. 50% kalahati. That's 1/2 or 0.5. 25%, yun yung diniscuss natin ngayon. That's 1/4 or 0.25. 25%, it's 1/5. That is, hatiin mo sa 5 yung isang buo at kumuha ka ng isa, yun po yung 20% yun. Okay? In decimal points po, in decimal terms, it's 0.20. 10%, ano po yun? Hatiin mo sa 10 yung isang buo. Tapos kumuha ka ng isa. Yun po ang 1/10. In decimal po, 0.1. Okay? That's all for today, classmates. Hoping na makatulong po ito sa pag-take nyo ng civil service, especially sa numerical ability problems natin. See you in the next video.